Is there such thing as an affordable wireless mic system? And because it's affordable, does it sound like, well, crap? Well, that's a question we're going to ask today, and hopefully I'll answer on this side of the radio. Come on and join me. All right, today we're looking at the 7 Rhymes wireless lav mic system called the Iray DW20. It's 2.4 gigahertz and comes with pretty much every accessory that you're going to need to hook it up to pretty much any device. You can hook this up to your laptop, USB-C or USB Type A. You can hook this up to your camera, like a DSLR camera with the tip ring connection. You can also hook it up to your cell phone, the tip ring connection, which is what the connection that I use. But it comes with all that information, all of that. It comes with dead cats, and it comes with the extension, the Lav Mic extension. For $169, this is the basic kit. You get the soft case, all the accessories. You get 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. For $199, you get everything previously mentioned, as well as a charging box. It's 3,000 milliamp hour battery, and it can recharge these up to like 2.5 to 3 times. But it still comes with all the other accessories. Just gives you the ability to charge it while you're portable. And if you have a USB Type A in your vehicle, you can charge these portable that way. Or if you have a power bank or something like that. But that does give you the option of getting a charge case with this. And when you open the case, it'll actually show you the battery status on both the receiver and both of the transmitters. For the next step up, this is the Iray DW30, and it's everything else that the 20 is, with an additional 8 gigs of onboard storage. So if that's something you're looking for a backup track or something that you think you might need, you can. They do make an option for that, and I do believe, the price is $239 for that setup. I think the only 2 products that are on the market right now that we could really compare this product to would be the Rode Wireless Go 2 system. That one sells for $299, and the DJI mic, which sells for $329. So comparatively speaking, for quite a bit less in money, you get pretty much the same amount. But do they sound as good? Well, that's what we're going to check out next. So let's roll over to the testing lab, and we'll run some audio tests with processing, without processing, and see what we come up with. Okay, here's a look at what you get in the box that comes with the Iray DW20 Pro. This is a 3,000 milliamp hour charger. It holds both of the transmitters as well as the receiver. You get 2 dead cats, and I will mention these dead cats, actually there's a click or groove that this twists and turns into, if you can see that. There we go. But that actually snaps into the top of the transmitter. And I know some of these, there's another well-known brand out there that the dead cat usually falls off of. But this particular one, once you feel that snap, it's in there. It's not going anywhere. And then you just give it a simple twist to unlock it. But I like that feature that comes with these. 2 lav mics, USB charger. You get a tip ring cable, and you get a tip ring cable, which I'm using right now to plug into my cell phone. So operating these things are pretty simple. This is the receiver, and basically you have both of the channels, and right now I'm running in mono because I'm only using one of the transmitters, but you can adjust the volume on both sides to make sure that they even out. You have live monitoring headphone jack up here. You have 3 modes on the receiver. You have mono, you have stereo, which means you can record 2 tracks at the same time, and you have safety. And the reason you would use the safety is if you're going to be in an area where there's going to be loud noises, it automatically has a reduction in gain across that track. I will say though, it does not record internally. Everything has to be recorded on the device itself. For the price point, I don't think that's a terrible thing, and definitely don't think it's a deal killer. But let's take a look at the transmitter. Again, really straightforward on the transmitter as well. You have a power button, and these linked up with the receiver really easily. But you have the power button, you have a gain adjustment, and you have a mute. So if you need to mute yourself, you can do so by just pressing the mute button. I believe actually you have to press and hold. Yeah, press and hold will get you the mute. And pressing and hold will release it. Really straightforward, easy to operate. I really like these. Okay, let's do some audio tests. And I want to do a baseline. This is just my cell phone. No microphone, no nothing. In my kitchen, just to kind of give you an idea of where we're going to start, and then we'll go from there. I'm going to start with just the baseline, which we're doing now. Then we're going to move on to the 7 Rhymes Iray DW20 module by itself. We'll do the module with the dead cat, and then we'll do the lavalier mic. And in each one of those, I'm going to do without any post-audio processing, and then with some post-audio processing, so we can get a comparison of how these mics sound both raw and with just a little bit of processing, because I think these mics are going to need just a little bit. So here's a baseline. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. My lazy dog is sitting right there. All right, so there's the baseline. That's just my cell phone. So now let's start adding in we'll go with the lavalier mic first. Okay, so I've got the lavalier mic attached, and the transmitter's down on my hip. So the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Could you tell the difference between the two? One of those is with processing and one is without processing. So now let's switch over and just do the transmitter by itself. All right, so I've taken the lavalier mic off, and now we just have the transmitter as if you were gonna make this an interview style. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. That's without any processing. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. That's with processing. Could you tell the difference? Okay, I wanted to see if the dead cat actually made a difference in the sound. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog without processing. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Could you tell the difference? So we're out on my notoriously loud patio, and I wanted to see, are these mics, does it reject that noise that's going on behind us, or can you still, is it distracting? Does it, is it rejecting enough of that noise where you can still focus on what I'm saying? This light should turn green in a minute, I hope. Otherwise, this test is going to be very boring. But I'm sure you can hear a little bit of the noise from the freeway. But this mic's supposed to be pretty good at rejecting background noise. So tell me what you think as these cars drag race by my front patio. Well, that is the Iray DW20 Pro from 7 Rhymes. Fantastic little mic setup, I think. For the price, I don't think you can really beat it. A little bit of tweaking on the audio is needed once you're in post editing, but that should be simple for even a beginner to do. I still consider myself a beginner anyway. But if you liked the video, I'd appreciate the thumbs up and a subscribe. If you like content like this, we've got some more things coming. Got another antenna review on the way. So we'll see you next time, and thanks for stopping by. Take care.